So this is a cheap Tasco, really plastic telescope that I picked up at Goodwill for like $12. The mirror's got stuff all over it, and I think they adjusted it and they lost the screws and they couldn't figure out how to remove the mirror cell. So anyway, when you take these off, you want to mark the plastic with a piece of tape so that you know where it goes back. It doesn't always make a difference, but it's good to do. So this one is not a Bird Jones. I don't know what kind of figure the mirror has, but it had a Barlow in it, an extremely plastic focuser. But there was a mount with it too, which I tried using with another telescope, and it's pretty shaky. But this would be kind of a cool one to put back together because being a short tube, it should have pretty wide field of view, which is what I like. So anyway, we'll have this one fixed probably. So I'm just gonna find some screws for this. Thanks for watching.